Humpty Dumpty sat dash a wall. On. What is the plural of dog? Dogs. Choose the correct verb. She dashed to school. Goes. What is the opposite of big? Small. Which word starts with a capital letter? Banana. Identify the noun. The boy is playing. Boy. What is the first letter of the alphabet? A. Choose the correct article. Dash orange. An. Which is a complete sentence? I went to school. What sound does a cow make? Moo. Pick the correct pronoun. Dash is my friend. She. Fill in the blank. The dog dash barking. Is. What comes after the letter E? F. Identify the verb. They jump high. Jump. Which is a question? Are you happy? Fill in the blank. This is dash book. My. Which is a correct sentence? The sun is shining. What is the plural of cat? Cats. Identify the adjective. The cake is tasty. Tasty. What do you call a baby dog? Puppy. Choose the correct spelling. Option C. Fill in the blank. I dash a new pencil. Have. Which one is a fruit? Mango. What is the opposite of happy? Sad. Choose the correct sentence. He runs fast. Choose the pronoun. Dash am playing. I. What is the collective noun of cattle? Herd. Which letter comes before M? L. What is the opposite of up? Down. Fill in the blank. She is dash teacher. A. Choose the correct sentence. They are good. Fill in the blank. We dash to the park. Go. Choose the correct spelling. Option A. What is the opposite of cold? Hot. Identify the verb. The rabbit hops. Hops. Fill in the blank. I dash playing with the toys. Am. What is the plural of book? Books. Which is a question? Are you running? What is the opposite of fast? Slow. Which is not a 7-letter word? School.